Okay, let's start. Let me open again Outlook. Okay, it's opening. Now, what we done in previous classes, we done exactly, you can see in new items, we done the email, how we can send email and how we can add the content inside of my email, right? Like in when I'm going to the email, you can see over here it's already coming my signature. If you want to delete, just use a delete button and it will be deleted. Previously class what we done, we complete a messages like how we can write a message, even everything like how we can copy paste basic text like increase size, decrease size, left side, right side, bold, italic, underline, background color means highlighting, font color, everything, even how we can add the address means when you can go over here and writing address, it will be come to the address book, right? Even the how we can do a check a name, it's automatically check in. How we can say, how we can attach attachment and the signature and high importance means how much email is your importance or not. Okay, even insert we learn how we can attach the different types of business card, calendar, even signature, attachment again, table, how to draw table, illustration, group full, right? Links, text and symbols, right? This kind of option we already done. Right now let's go to the back step again. I'm just closing. Okay, I don't want to write anything, just say no. After again I'm going back to the my inbox, right? So let's go to the home again. Here is an option, new items. We done a appointment, how to done appointment. Okay, and this appointment will be a showing over here in calendar, right? Now let's go to the meeting. Now if suppose I want to set a meeting to the someone, okay, I can do that, right? How we can do that, see there is a one option when you are going to the home, new items, we have the option meeting. Okay, click over here in meeting. Okay, right now this window will be open. So let's go. Write your, this is from means who are sending. Okay, title means write your title, what you exactly you want. Suppose I want to say title is like a lecture. Okay, so I have the lecture. Okay, I have a lecture required means whom you want to send. Okay, suppose I want to send to the my another account, Rohit Kadam, this one, right? I just added over here. Optional means if suppose you want to send someone another like a copy, so you can paste it over here. Means if suppose you want to send other options means other someone, so you can add them also. But who is the required with whom you have the appointment, there is appointmenter name, after that date and time. Suppose I am saying tomorrow I have the appointment 20, end of it will be end 20. Okay, and the what is the timing, suppose tomorrow 9. Okay, let's go. 9999. Let me scroll down. Okay, tomorrow 9 to 9:30 I have the meeting. Okay, location, suppose location free town. Okay, tomorrow location is Freetown, uh, C Sierra Leone country, right? Okay, suppose tomorrow is called lecture. I have the lecture with some student, so can I arrange that? Okay, now you can see everything is over. If you want to write anything note, you can write a note also. See, a meeting has set. I can right now send him. Previously, even I can set means when it will be set, it will be giving me a reminder before the time. Suppose how much time you want, you can set that. I already chooses over here. I want only the 50 minutes. How much it's important, suppose I want to say it's very important because it's tomorrow. Okay, I just check everything is done. I set it a meeting and now just send them meeting. Okay, so meeting has right now send it in down, you can see over here. Right now meeting has been sent. Okay, now let's check into the my calendar. Even when you are going to the calendar, you can see tomorrow you have the meeting. See, getting over here. And when you are going to check your email id, different email id, it will be showing over there also. Let me go to the my one account, whatever I am added over here, email. Getting, see, tomorrow I have the lecture. Okay, when I'm clicking over here, you can see it will be take a time. Wait, hold a second. See, getting. tomorrow lecture 20 July. What is the timing? See, yes. So this is the timing and everything. Okay. Suppose I want to say yes, tomorrow I'm available. Just say yes, click over here. It will be automatically sended the message. Tomorrow I have the meeting. Okay. Now I just already click on yes. Now let's go and check back. So it will be acceptable for tomorrow. Let me go to the inbox again. Okay, it's take us some time to reflect over here also. See, it's right now synchronized. It will be showing over here also to me. Tomorrow we have they just added a tomorrow you have a meeting and they are available. Okay, now again I'm going to over here and in where in calendar, and suppose I want to say cancel meeting, and I do not need to write again and again to the mail tomorrow I just cancel the meeting. There is no any need. See, I'm going over here. Okay, let me show. I'm going over here and just clicking on cancel meeting, or you can right click and just say cancel, send a cancellation mail. See, right now it's mailing sending. Even you can see I cannot able to see a meeting over here because I cancelled. Even when I'm going to the check back in my email account, let me show. You can see there is a cancellation mail are there. See, automatically. So tomorrow's lecture is cancelled within second. We do not need to worry about a send and write a perfect mail to the someone. It's automatically auto created, right? Because of only the outlook. Okay, now let me go again back over here. After that, let me go to the inbox. We have the another option that's called contact. Right now, what happened? If suppose I want to do meeting someone, if suppose I want to do appointment someone, if suppose you have the if you are working on big organization and that organization may be having a lot of contacts, like if suppose I'm from Google, right? So I obviously I have the large amount of clients. So how I can remember them name, right? So that's why we have the contacts. We can save each and contacts properly. Okay, let me click on contacts. Okay, when we are clicking on contact, the contact page will be open. Okay, and this contact page is a similar. Let me show to back over here, and I'm going to the sender and receiver folder. Let me check view home. Okay, if suppose I'm going to the contact. Okay, and after that here I'm clicking on new contact. It's a similar whatever opened the previously. So there are lot of options we can say it's a repeated, right? So all options are where you need to go to the inbox, and when you are clicking to the new items, there is all options is a shortcut over here. So you can directly go to that particular stage. Okay. Now you can see over here I want to make a contact. When I'm clicking, you can see directly contact page open. So let's create one contact. Suppose I want to say over here full name. Yes, obviously Rohit. Okay. After a Kadam. Okay, there is one Kadam. After that, a company. What is company? Suppose I'm working right now in Sky Vision, right? Sky Vision College. Getting? After that job title, obviously I am a professor. So let me write as a prof. Okay, professor. You can add the image also. Let me click over here, downloading. I think so. I have any image, or let me check it. Okay, passport photo, I have one. So I'm clicking, see, my image are there. So I created one kind of, a business card. Getting? Now email ID, yes, I have an email ID, Rohit Kadam, this one, right? So let me add that. I added an email ID. If suppose you have any website, anything, you can add that. After that business phone number you have, you can add that. And if suppose you have the normal number, so you can add that 223 space blah 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 phone number. Suppose okay, you are added. Even a business phone number, anything here, you can add that. Okay. Now after that, just say a save as. Now when you are going to check on your contact, you can see there is already one card is there. See, so what exactly happened when you are making a business card? You do not need to remember what exactly who is this person, what is the company, what is the address. You can even put the address also. Everything you can edit. Okay. So when I'm clicking over here, even you can see you want to check like a business card. I can check like a business card. I can see I can check in different way also. I want to check only the phone numbers. I can see directly in number. Means a data is automatically fetched, right? But I want to see in people wise, so it will be showing people wise. Right now I have only the one number. Let's create it another number. Okay, going to back again to the email. Okay,